how to disable ad blocker on Google Chrome. So if you want to disable ad blocker on Google Chrome, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your browser. After opening your browser, you need to go with the three dots which will be in the top right and then go with settings. Now under settings, you need to scroll down a bit and then you will find an option of site settings. Tap on it. Now scroll down and you will find intrusive ads. Tap on that and turn off the toggle. Or if you don't have the toggle, you need to go and select the first option. Now go back to the previous page and then tap on third-party sign-in. Now here, if the option is turned on or if you've allowed, then you just need simply go and turn off the option or tap on block sign-in prompts from identity services. So go and block the third-party cookies option and go back to the previous page and then go with privacy and security option. Now scroll down and then go with add privacy. After that, tap on add topics, which will be on the first, and turn off the toggle for add topics. And that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.